Hi everyone, I want to make a paperclip helicopter. So I had this idea. I've done 3 or 4 experiments and they haven't worked. This is one that hasn't worked. This is the latest experiment I'm doing now, and I've got this design this way. So this kind of fits in nicely, like clips in. It just clips in like that, and I'm hoping to try it out. I'm going to put some wings there. I might put some tail or something like that here, but let's see if it works. So I've already tried something at the bottom here that fits like this to give it a bit of a balance, but that didn't work very well for me. So this time I'm trying one of these things here. Hopefully it'll just stick there. If not, I'll have to glue it on, and maybe it'll give it a balance. So push that through there. I'm waiting for the glue to dry here, to be honest with you. Try again. Just went on the desk. Just went on the desk. No good. Okay guys, so I've changed a little bit of it there. I'm not sure if this will work, but we should try. Try to see if it works. A little bit of success there. I like that. Well, that's what I'm going to do, guys. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. I can't make this any better than I have done at this moment in time, but it's the best it's gonna do. Thank you for watching.